Thank you very much. I almost sang Thank you very much, Comrade Senyonyi. Our dear elders in the Lord, ladies and gentlemen, we've been guided not to mention, because it's true, to mention is to omit, and to omit is to offend. And I wouldn't want to offend anybody on this beautiful evening. But still, my eyes can't help but notice my brother, the Lord Mayor, Elias Rubaga, like a new mustache. I wish you let the whole beard grow out. My favorite doctor, Dr. Sech Toreko, my deputy president, Mama Lina Zetriga, Waru, my fellow leaders, Honorable Flavia, Honorable Nyanzi, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you this evening. I only meant to come here and present our humble contribution on behalf of the National Unity Platform. But before I give you my money, everything has been said by Honorable Senyonyi. I really wouldn't have so much useful to add. But of course, the health sector, looking at it, you cannot fail to make a comment or two. You all know how our health care system is in Uganda. But like Mama Zedrika likes to say, we've already gone past the book of Lamentations. Now we must proceed to the book of Acts. And so I won't lament, but I'll also mention that it's very, very, very important for us as citizens of this country, and for us as potential victims of a sick healthcare system, to do something. It is not political, it's only moral, it's only logical. Looking at how much we spend. I mean, I'm a musician, and I got so moved when the band, one of my favorite bands, is playing. But much as I'm a musician, I would definitely not spend 30 billion giving to musicians when a CT scan needs only 2 billion shillings. Those are what, 15 CT scans. And definitely, and when we doctor we had an invitation, because honestly, that 2 billion that is spent by State House every day, I mean, I'll just need to sleep the whole day, and that 2 billion buys a CT scan somewhere. But that is wishful thinking. Here we are in reality. We are grappling with the sick healthcare system. We want to do something. While the Senyonyis fight from Parliament, we have to fight to at least implement a little until we are empowered enough to fix it. So this evening, I'll make 2 pledges. One long term and another short term. So where you are. Long term will happen when I'm president, and that is very soon. And then I can pledge to increase the healthcare budget and cut all unnecessary spending. Every health center will have a CT scan and a civic scan. But that is in the future. For tonight, on my behalf and on behalf of the National Unity Platform, our humble contribution will be 10 million shillings.